Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss our first lesson of SST, Importance of Family. In the previous class, we have studied about the family. What is family? Family is consists of grandparents, parents, their children, uncle and aunt. All are connected by love and affection. Family members take care of each other and they fulfill our needs. Now, why family is important? Family is important. We have a fine example nowadays. We know the world is suffering from pandemic, corona disease, and who is taking care of us? Yes, our family member are taking care of us. They are guide us, providing many things like sanitizer, masks, etc. because they love us and they care for us. In this chapter, we will study about the importance of family. Why family is important. Before we will start the chapter, we will discuss about the two type of family, nuclear family and the joint family. Nuclear family is the family, it is also known as a small family, where father, mother and their children live together. And the big family, where many member of the family live together in the same house with their grandparents, parents, children, uncle, aunts, cousin, etc. This is also known as big family. Now we will start our chapter. Family is the greatest gift of nature. It is considered as the greatest gift of nature. Why? Because they love us, they fulfill our all needs. It is the first learning place. Why it is first learning place? Because child learn from their parents. It is also known as the first school of the child. The child learn everything by watching and imitating. Imitating means copying. Copy करके. The family members. How? If their parents are greet their elders, cats and love their children, the child will learn from the parents. Imitating how to arrange their books, toys, clothes, polish their shoes, etc. They are imitating from their elder brother and sister and parents. It may be how to speak, walk and behave. They can learn from their parents how the parents are talking. They are talking politely. कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, ज़ोर से बोल रहे हैं, धीरे से बोल रहे हैं, वो बच्चा कहाँ से सीख रहा है? From their family members. The child also learn to overcome challenges, solve problem and make decision. Challenges means for example, if any child gets poor grade in any subject, so they can take help of their parents how to improve their grades, and from their elder brother and sister, please how they are following the timetable. They can make timetable and practice and solve the problem of the subject. This is the one example of any challenge. Challenges are many, but I'm discuss only one thing here. It is important that the grown-up member of a family practice the value and action that they want their children to be learned. If the parents want their child learn good thing, so they have to practice that value, like touching the feet of elders, कैसे दादा दादी के पेरेंट्स टच कर रहे हैं फीट को, कैसे ग्रीट कर रहे हैं गेस्ट्स को. तो बाय ऑब्जर्विंग, बाय वॉचिंग, चाइल्ड इज लर्न फ्रॉम देयर फैमिली मेम्बर. The interaction among the family member develop close bond of love and affection. What is develop? Interaction. How they are talking, how they are celebrating occasion, birthday, marriage, Eid, Diwali, etc. And that continue throughout the life. और ये जो love और affection का bond है पूरे throughout the life चलता रहता है. Okay? All human beings live in a group, but family is the most important group. Why it is considered as a important group? Because if we fell ill, who will take care of us? Family member. If we want anything, who will fulfill our needs? Yes, it's a family who will fulfill our needs. That is why it is the most important group. Family system. The family system work like a chain. Who work like a chain? Family system. How? The elder help the child to grow up into a good human being. Who is helping? Elders by telling them, greet your guest, touch your parent or grandparents, उनको नमस्ते कीजिए, गुड मॉर्निंग बोलिए. Many things they teach us. And what will we do? In turn, the children provide support to elder in time of the need. Whenever the elder want any help, the child will also provide their support. Suppose if your grandparents are not well, they are not able to walk, so we can give them their specs, newspaper, medicine, etc. So it's work like a chain. They are helping us and we are helping them. They also follow the family values and tradition. Family values like honesty, respect, care, all these are the family values. A tradition means how we are celebrating our festivals, like कैसे हम पूजा करते हैं, कैसे हम ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं. ऑल दीज आर ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ any family. Love, affection, mutual affection, love, trust, and sharing of responsibility strengthen the relationship in a family. What is strengthen the relationship of a family? Mutual affection, एक दूसरे से प्यार करना, trust करना, sharing of responsibility. Like if our mother is doing work, we can reduce his work, like we can clean the house, wash the dishes, etc. Okay. Family traditions. Now we will discuss here about the family tradition. Each family follow certain custom and tradition. As I told you in the previous line, every family has some customs and tradition, okay, which we celebrate in different festival. How to eat, how to which dish, for example in a Eid they made semiya, they apply mehendi. These are the traditions of a every family. डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशंस. हमारी फैमिली का अलग है. वी अप्लाई टिकास, जॉइन योर हैंड, पूजा में बैठते हैं. और दिस आर द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ द फैमिली. इन किसी भी कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हम किसी ओकेजन को, फेस्टिवल. दे आर द एक्टिविटी डेट अकर रेगुलरली एंड होल्ड स्पेशल मीनिंग फॉर डेट फैमिली. They are an excellent way of teaching. What are the excellent way of teaching? The family traditions are the excellent way of teaching, like respect for our elders, caring and sharing, helping other, and passing the family heritage to the future generation. Like आगे आने वाली जो जनरेशन है, जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनको by observing, by watching ऑल दिस फैमिली ट्रेडिशन वो पास हो जाता है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, पेरेंट्स से बच्चों के पास आएगा, ठीक है। एवरी ईयर ऑन बैसाखी लोकेश family visit a गुरुद्वारा and have लंगर, लंगर मीन्स कम्युनिटी फीस्ट, जहाँ सब बैठकर खाना खाते हैं इकट्ठे। there the elder sit and listen to kirtan while the children help at langar, cleaning the compounds and organizing visitor in a proper queue for दर्शन, दर्शन करने के लिए उनको बोलते हैं एक लाइन में खड़े हो जाइए। तो बट वी आर लर्निंग क्या, हेल्पिंग, केयरिंग एंड रिस्पेक्ट, वी ऑल आर लर्निंग from our family tradition. So what we have discussed in this module, we have discussed love and affection, type of family, nuclear family and joint family. Child learn from their family members by watching and imitating, and love and care develop close bond of a family. And family system work like a chain, help each other. Family is the most important group. Family tradition teach us values like respect, care, sharing, etc. So this we have done in this module. In the next module we will discuss caring and appreciation. So thank you so much, friend. Good day.